is $20, y'all. Try something new. It's the middle of the year. If you ain't tried something new by now, I don't know what to tell you, girl. Your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, 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 girl. Hey, boy. How you doing? How you feeling? I'm feeling real orangey. Ooh, my bra is showing. Y'all ain't telling me. Anyway, I'm feeling real bright, y'all, okay? So today we just gonna be reviewing this Janet Collection Natural Curly Afro Wig. I decided to step out of the box a little bit and get this for y'all, and also take one for the team because some people want to know what this wig look like. So I'm going to just show you what it's looking like fresh out the pack. I'll show you the 1B, and then I'll show you the orange, and then I'll tell you guys my final thoughts at the end. If you like videos like this, make sure you give me a thumbs up, you know, so YouTube can push me out, and hit that subscribe button because I drop a lot of wig reviews on this channel. I also do some makeup, I do skincare, I do a lot of stuff. So go ahead and hit that red button right there. Bam! Let's go ahead and get started. Y'all ready for this one? Woo! Adjust the color. Okay, y'all, so I am back with this one. Let's go ahead and talk about this wig. I just came back with the headband, y'all, because the headband to me makes the wig. You do not have to wear a headband with this wig. It was on the stock card and it was really cute, so I decided to go ahead and show y'all what a headband looks like. And I think, to me, I think it works better with a headband. I don't know. Y'all comment down below and let me know what you think about that. You can wear it without the headband. I did show in a natural color how it's looking. I did take some pictures in this one without a headband, so I'll show y'all what it's looking like.
12 seconds later.
You know what? This is what it's looking like without a headband. I had to show y'all real quick. I stop being lazy, you know. And this is what it's looking like in the back as well. You can cut that down if you need to, but that's what it's looking like. But let me give y'all some specs and then I'm gonna tell y'all how I feel about this wig. I can't stop laughing. I can't stop laughing. So, this is the Janet Collection Natural Curly Wig. This is natural Afro Mica, I think that's it. And I had the color 2, and this is the color orangeade. I've never seen that color before, and I was feeling bold. I was feeling brave, you know. I haven't posted in a while. I was like, let's go ahead and try new things, you know. Let's switch it up. So yeah, that's why I decided to get both colors, because if I was curious, you might be curious too. So this is the color on the stock card. It's actually growing on me as I'm looking in the camera. It's actually pretty cute, you know. It's not too bad. It does have that natural curly feel. I do like the texture of this wig. It feels very natural. It feels really, really good. You're gonna get this nice like twist set look here, and then in the back it's kind of shorter. I did put the headband on it, and then the sides it's like tapered. So I did go in and kind of shape it a little bit to my face. I kind of cut it down like this, and then I did kind of cut around the hair around the ear. And I feel like, you know, you kind of got to shape it a little bit. Sometimes these wigs, they challenge us, you know. They make us step outside our box, but that's the beauty of a wig. You can try new hairstyles, you can try new things, and I'm actually pretty glad that I got this wig. Even though I'm not too sure if I'm gonna wear this wig. I might sell this wig. I might be selling both of these wigs. check the description box. Even though that this wig might not be for me, it might be for you, you know? Y'all like my shirt? This is random, but my husband gave me this shirt. It is way too big for me, but I don't have any clothes. So I was filming and I was like, let me bust out the shirt. Shout out to my husband for giving me this shirt. Anyway, this wig is very affordable. It's only $20. It is a full cap. The cap feels pretty good. It's pretty stretchy. It's pretty comfortable. And it does have those ear tabs to kind of show you where the wig goes. But it's pretty comfortable. You know, it works.
Just then.
I'm sorry, y'all. I know I keep popping back in these videos, but I be forgetting to say stuff, and I really want y'all to know. So the thing I think that I don't like about this wig is it kind of has like extra hair like this. I feel like it should have been a little flatter down, but it works still. It works. Like, this wig is actually growing on me, believe it or not. But I just feel like the way they made it, I just feel like they put a little bit too much right here, but that's just my opinion. This wig will be super dope in a longer length. Again, my opinion, because the texture feels so good. And it also doesn't feel real like stringy, like synthetic-y stringy. So yeah, if you're into styles like this, it works. But fresh out the pack, keep in mind that you're gonna have to play with this wig a little bit. You know, you're gonna have to shake her up. But I think this is cute for those people that want to be a little spicy, and you know, it's cute. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna wear this wig again, like I said, but it's cute. It's nothing more to tell you about this wig except she's cute. I do like the texture. It does feel natural. It is a natural curly wig. Janet Collection did a good job. There are some other colors. It says that it's a caramel. It's a red. That red probably looks really good, and like 1B30. It is starting to scratch a little bit. The fibers are scratching my head a little bit, but other than that, I think she's cute. Would I buy her again? No. Because I don't know. I never did a style like this, but I'm glad that I did get this style. I think it is worth the money. It's $20, y'all. Try something new. It's the middle of the year. If you ain't tried something new by now, I don't know what to tell you, girl. That's about it, y'all. You know, let me know what y'all think. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye.